Hey there YouTube, thanks for tuning into my shooting sports channel again. Today is a very good day for me because I can finally unbox my brand new Sig Sauer 1911 Scorpion. This 1911 comes in a nice sturdy box which you can also use when you go to the range. You get of course a Sig Sauer manual. You get 2 mags, and on the bottom of the box you will also find a cord lock you can use to secure your pistol. This 1911 has front cocking serrations, Hogue G10 grips with a piranha texture, which in my opinion are really nice. One of the reasons I chose this 1911 is because basically I just fell in love with the grips and the integrated magwell. These grips will really bite into your hand, so to say. Cerakote coated stainless steel frame and slide, finished in flat dark earth. Extended fashionable beaver tail, Ambidextrous Safety. You also get your tactical rail and these low profile night sights. Each magazine holds 8 rounds and I'm gonna shoot 10 rounds on camera today. Of course, after unboxing my pistol, I field stripped it, took off the factory grease, oiled it up and made it ready for its first shots, because I'm still gonna have to break in this gun. Distance here is about 15 yards. And I'm shooting S&B 230 grains FMGs. Okay, first 4 shots are out of the barrel. And I seem to have landed all of them in the 9 area. Let's take 6 more shots. These are actually my first 10 shots with this 45. Up until now, no hiccups, no problems with the mags, a bit stiff, but hey, that's life, it's new. Thanks for watching, and I'll be doing a lot more videos on this pistol, so stay tuned. Bye.